Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is x squared plus xy plus y squared is 96 and x plus square root of xy plus y is equal to 16 to find the values of x and y. In the first step, we let this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Okay? In equation 1, we have x squared plus y squared. So, as you know, if we have x plus y squared is equal to x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. Okay? And in here we have x squared and y squared. So in here we have x squared and y squared. So we take this to this side. So it will be x plus y squared, right? Minus this 2xy is equal to x squared plus y squared, right? So we can substitute this in this equation. So we write from equation 1, we have x squared plus y squared, we write this, x plus y squared minus 2xy and plus this xy, right? Plus xy is equal to 96. And it will be x plus y squared. And in here, negative 2xy plus xy is negative xy is equal to 96. And in here, if we have a, right, we can write this as a square root of a to the power of 2, right? So in here we have xy, so we can write this as a square root of xy to the power of 2, right? So it will be x plus y to the power of 2 minus, in here, a square root of xy to the power of 2, right? This equal to this is equal to 96. And here we have a subtract of 2 squared. So this is in the form of a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b times a plus b, right? So in here a squared is x plus y and b is a square root of xy, right? So we apply this formula in here, so it will be a minus b, it will be x plus y minus the square root of xy and times a plus b. So x plus y plus the square root of xy, okay, is equal to 96. So in here we have x plus y plus the square root of xy, and from equation number 2 in here, this equal to 16. So this part is equal to 16, right? So we write x plus y minus a square root of xy, and we take this to this side, it will be 96 over this 16, right? And 96 over this 16 is equal to 6. So we found this equation and we can write equation number 2. So equation number 2 is x plus y plus a square root of xy, right, is equal to 16. And next step, we can add these two equations together. So it will be x plus x is 2x and y plus y is 2y, and this negative square root of xy and this positive square root of xy will cancel each other, so it will be 6 plus 16 is equal to 22. And If we divide both sides of this equation by 2, so it will be x plus y is equal to 11. And from here, we write y in the form of x, so we take this x in this side, it will be 11 minus x. So in here, we write y in the form of 11 minus x. And in here also, we have this equation, right? This equation. We can substitute this y in this equation or this equation. It doesn't matter. So we substitute this on this equation, right? And we write in here x plus y minus square root of xy equal to 6, right? And it will be x plus y. We can write as 11 minus x. 11 minus x minus square root of x times y. Y is 11 minus x, right? Is equal to 6. And it will be in here, this x, cancel this, and it will be 11 minus square root of x times 11 minus x is equal to 6. And next step, we take this to this side and 6 to this side. So it will be 11 minus this 6, it will be 5 is equal to the square root of x times 11 is 11x minus x times x is x squared. And next step, we raise both sides of this equation to the power of 2, right? And it will be, this to the power of 2 is 25 is equal to, this to the power of 2, this will cancel this square root, so it will be 11x minus x squared. And next step, we take these two parts on this side, so it will be x squared minus 11x plus 25 is equal to 0. And this is a quadratic equation, and we use quadratic formula, which is x is equal to negative b plus or minus a square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And a is equal to coefficient of x squared is 1, and b is coefficient of x is negative 11, and c is constant is 25. Okay, so x is equal to negative b, negative 12 is positive 12, plus or minus square root of b squared. B squared is 11 squared is 121 minus 4 times a times c. 4 times a is 4, and times 25 is 100, okay? And over 2 times a is 2. And from here, x is equal to 11 plus or minus 121 minus 100 is 21, so it will be a square root of 21 over 2, right? So we found two values for x. First, x is equal to 11 over 2 plus square root of 21 over 2, right? This over 2 and this over 2. And x is equal to 11 over 2 minus square root of 21 over 2. And we can call this as x1 and this as x2. And to find the values of y in here, y is equal to 11 minus x. So, right in here, y is equal to 11 minus x. Okay? So, to find the value of y, and we call this x1 and this y1, okay, is equal to 11 minus x. 11 minus this. 11 over 2 plus square root of 21 over 2. And in here, y1 is equal to 11 minus 11 over 2, it will be 11 over 2, right? We can write this as 22, right? This as 22 over 2, right? And 22 minus 11 is 11. And minus this, square root of 21 over 2. And from here, x number 2 and y2, okay, is equal to 11 minus x minus this 11 over 2 minus square root of 21 over 2. And from here, y2 is equal to 11 minus 11 over 2 is 11 over 2 and plus this square root of 21 over 2, because this negative times this negative is positive. So we find two solutions for x and y. The first, x1 and y1 is equal to x1 is 11 over 2 plus square root of 21 over 2, and y is 11 over 2 minus square root of 21 over 2. And x2 and y2 is equal to x2 is 11 over 2 minus square root of 21 over 2 minus square root of 21 over 2, and y2 is 11 over 2 plus square root of 21 over 2. And this is our final answer for x and y. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.